Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with 52 and 22, and it's the month of March, and we decided to do cards. The first week is birthday cards. I made two. We only had to make one, but I made two. And the reason I made two is I wanted to see the different ink on the image. So this is the first one. This is a recently new stamp I received from a friend. And what I did is I stamped it out in brown, and I have some vintage paper, and in the typewriter it says, a message to wish you a happy birthday. Looks like that. And then when you open it, it just says happy birthday. And I distressed all around, but that's how it looks in that one. And then I stamped it out as well as in black. I used different paper in the background, and I kind of laid them out on a different. That's the way it looks in black. Same message, a message to wish you a happy birthday. And then when you open it, same thing. I distressed all the edges. And that's what they look like. Them are my birthday cards. But I can't pick one over the other. I like them both. So that is my two cards. And I like that I can give them to a man, because I don't make too many birthday cards for men. Well, guess what? These can work for that. So I want to thank you for watching. Go check out Sabrina's 52 and 22 and Val's. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.